Clouding is a defect that occurs mostly with metallic colours. This video shows the keys to correct this defect and how to prevent it. Clouding defects appear in the form of irregular stripes or spots and in different shades after applying the finish. Some areas have lighter and others darker streaks. This defect is mainly caused by an irregular and random orientation of the aluminium particles on the repaired surface. How the professional applies it will determine the way these particles are positioned and placed on the part. Metallic particles reflect light in one direction or another depending on their arrangement, giving rise to possible differences in shades and colour saturations. Clouding defect usually occurs in metallic colours. Let's look at some of the causes that lead to the appearance of clouding in paintwork and possible solutions. When using the application equipment, the gun must be totally perpendicular to the surface so that the spray pattern is applied on the part evenly. An incorrect positioning of the spray gun will result in uneven distribution of the product. The trigger must be fully depressed for an even distribution of pigments. The application gun must be in good condition, keeping it clean and regularly serviced. It is advisable to check the fan pattern to ensure an even distribution of aluminium particles. If the pattern is defective, check that the gun nozzle, fluid tip and paint nail are in good condition. Also, the gun must always be adjusted to the specifications of the technical data sheet. An incorrect overlapping of coats will result in an irregular distribution of the product. If you wait too long between coats, alternate stripes with different paint loads will appear, resulting in clouding. In metallic colours, it is highly recommended to always apply a final special effect or final control coat at a slightly greater distance from the part, in order to distribute and direct the metallic particles evenly. An inappropriate mixture viscosity will hinder distribution of aluminium particles, causing irregularities in their direction. Using slow evaporation thinners will favour a correct distribution of aluminium particles. Applying the first clear coat with excessive pressure or too short a distance from the part can cause aluminium particles to be removed from the surface, which can lead to the appearance of clouding. Once the clear coat has dried, inspect for any defects. If clouding can be observed on the surface, apply the finishing paint again, taking into account all the tips described in the video.